Hey everyone, today I'm going to review Prink KK. Prink KK allows users to design and sell custom print-on-demand products, offering a 100% free-to-use platform with 1,000+ high-quality products and global drop shipping. It features unique products made in the USA, personalization options, and big seasonal savings such as Black Friday and Thanksgiving Day deals. Users can create wall art, wall decor, everyday casual wear like t-shirt and hooded sweatshirts, modern light fixtures, ceramic mugs, cozy floor coverings such as rugs, functional packs, and summer wear including swimwear. The platform also offers $5 off instantly with no minimum purchase required. Prink KK integrates easily with major e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, Wix, WooCommerce, Square, and Walmart. With no order minimums, users never need to worry about overstocking. The service provides 1,000+ custom products, fast fulfillment from factories in China and the USA, and 24/7 customer support with instant replies 99.9% of the time. Prink KK emphasizes high quality and value, intuitive design tools, multiple platform integrations, and custom branding labels to enhance your brand with personalized packaging and logos. Let's discuss its reviews on Trustpilot. Prink KK's ratings on Trustpilot reflects strong overall customer satisfaction, especially with product quality, competitive pricing, and fast fulfillment. Many users praise the easy store integration and responsive 24/7 support. A few mixed reviews mention occasional shipping delays, but most buyers report a smooth and reliable experience. Let's have a look at its pricing. Prink KK pricing is free to use. You only pay for each printed products. Costs vary depending on the item type and quantity, and shipping fees can increase the total cost. Now we will talk about its pros and cons. On the positive side, Prink KK offers a large catalog of print-on-demand products, easy Shopify integration, and generally receives good customer service feedback. On the downside, shipping fees can be high. Profit margins may be low and some users report delivery delays. In my opinion, Prink KK offers a convenient and cost-effective print-on-demand service with flexible pricing based on product type and quantity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.